Welcome to Made-in-China.com Infinite 10, the online trading global feast with thousands of best-selling products, infinite business opportunities, 10,000 online trading coupons, and one free order per day coming right up. This time on online trading channel Made-in-China.com. From October 10th to October 31st, place the online trading order. You can get 10 times bonus points of price on each order and exchange points into 10 different free gifts and redeem 10 tiers of online trading coupons. Want more? Between October 15th and October 24th, we will randomly select one lucky buyer per day. Your online trading order is on us. Now, come and join us. Click the link above to enter the online trading channel. Wish you a happy shopping journey on Made-in-China.com.